Bridge is about to open. Wonder what kind. Whoa! I wonder what kind of. Do we have a bite here? Nothing's running. Here we go. Here we go. Now it's running. Okay, should we lock it in? Let's see what happens. Okay. Here we go. I just lost one. Okay, you know what? Yeah, he's going. He's going. Okay. Let me get this one out of the way. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, beautiful. Okay, I'm free. Okay. Get this one out of the way. Let's not panic here. Okay. Good. He's still on a circle hook. Looks like first week of October. Okay. Come on in. I had a nice one close to the boat. I lost him not too long ago. I wonder if it's the same one. I'm anchored. I'm anchored up, so he's not going to be pulling me where he wants to go. Right now, that should be about 10 foot of water. Okay, got that stick off of there. Whew. Come on. Oh, he's out there. I didn't realize he was that far out. Did you see him? Breakwater on top. Okay. He's going places where I don't want him to go. I don't want him to go there because I know there's debris on the bottom there. I guess he knows it too. He lives there. Come on. Whoa. Woo. I think he pulled me off the anchor. Let me see. Hanging in there. Okay, I'm gonna spin around here. You should be real close. Looking for, as usual, they look. That's why you can't have the drags that are too tight. When they see the boat, they go crazy. And that surge, if you got the line too tight, the drag too tight. Okay, let him do his thing. happy with the drag. See the kayak spinning around. Whew. Much different than fighting it from the bank. Stay on the anchor. Whoa! Okay. That's the biggest one I ever caught. From the bank, or it's a blue cat. Ooh. He's a beauty. Oh, he swallowed it. Ooh, he swallowed it deep. All right, let him tire himself out. To me, he's as good as caught. Oh, jeez. Try to knock me out of the boat. Spinning around, spinning around. Give up yet? I don't want to bring him in a kayak because he's gonna slime me all up. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. Oh, you see? Never do that. Never grab your leader. He will break it off.
Here I'm thinking, what am I gonna do with this catfish?
Yep, he swallowed the hook. There's no place to bring him on the bank there. Let me go into a little shallower water. Let me pick this anchor up.
At this point, the fish is pretty tired, so I'm not worried about him pulling me around. But I want him to get very, very tired.
Can I get out there? Well, let's put it this way, I'll feel safer. If I do fall in, I'll feel safer. Okay, 7 foot of water. Bring this one in.
Remember, in a kayak, you can lean over just so much before you fall in.
Look, 4 foot. Yeah, there's really no place to bring him. Get this hook out of the way. Well, the worst that could happen, he could tangle me up. I don't know if this is a good idea. Okay, 4 foot. There is no anchor.
Well, now I'm thinking I'd like to bring him into the kayak.
Does this stupid thing spin? This is not good. No, I don't want to do that. I really don't want to do that. Where is the hook? Ow! Damn it! Oh, he pinched me good. I don't know what to do with him. Would I bring him on the bank? Let's see. Make sure my camera's safe.
The bridge is opening for a double-decker Starship. It's a big boat. It's a big head boat that takes people out to the ocean. Here they come. And I want to watch, make sure it doesn't produce too big of a wave.
Whew. Watch my cell phone. Put this around here. Open up the veil.
As they are going by, they see me pulling fishing, and they are cheering.
Woo! Well, I'm gonna cut him loose, that is. He's ready to go. All right, here we go. You ready? He's happy. All right. Well, that big boat pushed me out of the way. Woo! That was a good catch.